Okay, so you probably already know of Brainscape as a flashcard app that helps you learn languages or study for a test as efficiently as humanly possible. But did you know that Brainscape can also help you develop better posture, healthier habits, deeper friendships, a clearer mind, a fitter body, and more money in your pocket? Sit tight, I'm going to tell you how. I'm Andrew with Brainscape, and today I'm going to tell you about an amazing new collection of digital personal development flashcards that we've just launched. Unlike any other flashcards that you might have studied, this is not a deck that you just flip through repeatedly until you've mastered the whole thing, right? It's not like you have to memorize that water is good for you, because you already know that you should probably drink more. Instead, Brainscape's personal development flashcards are designed to be sprinkled in with whatever else you're studying using the Smart Study button at the top of the main screen in the Brainscape mobile app. By mixing in these flashcards with your primary study sessions, you're getting an occasional, random, unexpected, and non-judgmental nag for whatever behavior you're trying to work on. So if a particular habit comes up that is already natural to you, cool. Just mark it a 5 and we won't show it to you anymore. But if it is something that you want to be reminded of more often, just give it a lower rating, and the magic of Brainscape will ensure that you will be drilled on that habit at just the right pace that you've configured for yourself. Over time, you'll find that you've subconsciously tricked yourself into eating better, having more energy, building more confidence, and being better in social situations through the time-tested power of spaced repetition. I'm pretty proud of these personal development flashcards myself. In the process of making them, I got deep into the weeds with the Brainscape team. We scoured dozens of the top self-help books so you don't have to, and we consulted with our favorite habit building gurus to make sure that we were putting in all the right advice curated to apply to the broadest range of users, whether you're in high school or in retirement. Everybody can benefit from the personal growth that Brainscape offers. So go add our personal development flashcards to your account. You can find them on the Brainscape marketplace, preferably in the mobile app, and start incorporating them into your study mix with whatever frequency feels right to you. Combined with the continued advice on this channel, please subscribe. In the Brainscape Academy and everywhere else you might find us, I have no doubt that the new and improved Brainscape will help you rise to any challenge.